Potato reveal. First earlies. July 23, 2022. So this is my potato bed. It's only 4 feet by 4 feet, and I crammed in 20 plants in that space. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants this way by 1, 2, 3, 4 plants this way. 5. I have a map because all gardeners should make a map of what they planted. We are going to be working on early season potatoes, my first earlies. So I have 1 Norland, 2 Norland, 1 Warba, and the second Warba are earlies. I did an experiment, and these two here in the middle are store-bought potatoes. So we'll see how that turns out. And then on this side, we got Warba, Norland, and another store-bought. In the second row, we only have 2 to pull today, a Norland and Norland. Norland's about 75-day potatoes. And these were in the ground on May 2nd, 2022. Norlands are supposed to be red potatoes. Warbas are little nugget potatoes that are kind of mix of pink and white. We'll see what we get. I always start by cutting off the stems. I leave a big enough stalk on it. I use it as a handle. So we'll get that started. So I mentioned these are 75-day potatoes. From May 2nd until July 23rd is 81 days. So I gave them a couple extra days just to be sure. Hoping for a good harvest. I have some fairly loose soil. This should be pretty loose soil. Hoping this is the only tool I need. We'll start back here at this Norland. This is cropped rotation year for me today, this year. So this is usually my cucumber bed. I had to give it a rest from cukes. Replenish the soil. Do this probably once every 4 years. Worba. Looks not too bad. Good little harvest of Worba. Worba number 2. That's a decent one right there. Wash them off and I'll show you the color. Pinkish, whitish. Norland, Worba. Store. There should be Norland red potato. Handle came in handy. Oh yeah, good one. Beauty. Okay, store-bought. What do you got? Store-bought. Another store-bought. I don't know. It's actually kind of surprising I got anything. Oh yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Don't even need my tool. Soil is very good. Nice. We done on the store-bought. I am very impressed. Store-bought potatoes. Look at that. Very impressive. That is a good haul off 2 plants. Nice. Worba. How good that handle works. Oh, you save that handle. This looks like one of the best plants of the day. Get these babies. A couple babies there. Are you happy with that? Happy with the potato harvest as a whole. Looks really good. Here you can see the pinkish white color on there. Should be another Worba, and it is. Very good. Store-bought, I believe. Or how many more plants do I got back here? Store-bought, I believe. We will see. Oh, it's a Norland. Nice. Pleasantly surprised. Beauty. Norland. Very nice. Couple babies on here. Get the rest later. Should be something. No, there's not. This is a late, and that should be a late as well. But I thought I had another store-bought back here. I don't know if I do. Well, let's pull this and see. That is too. Missed that one. Shrapnel. That's it. Potato harvest. First earlies 2022. Being here in southern British Columbia, we are in Garden Zone 7B. From today's date, July 23rd, you count forward 75 days. That puts us at October 5th, which means I have time for a second harvest. I have 4 Warbas and 4 Norlands. Early season potatoes, 75 days. Our first expected frost date in my area is near the end of October, so I have plenty of time to get my second harvest in. I'll take you guys on a quick little garden tour, but I just wanted to say thanks for watching another episode right here on Water, Wilds, and Weeds. Thanks for smashing that like button. Let's go on a garden tour.